Good morning, children. So in the earlier class we had learned about how different parts of our body, that is hand, stomach, heart, lungs and brain, plays an important role. So this is the continuation of the same chapter, that is chapter number 2, the human body. And in the earlier class we had learnt about how the heart plays an important role, how stomach, how lungs and brain plays an important role in our body. Yes, so in fact all the parts of our body are equally important. So if we do not have a single organ in our body, then our body will not function properly. Yes. It will be imbalanced, so we will not be able to survive. Yes, we'll have a problem. So that's why all the organs of our body, parts of our body are equally important. So today we are going to study about the human body. Now, human body, our body is made up of many system or organs which we know, isn't it, and which acts like a machine. These organs, this system, it acts like a machine. If it stopped working for a while, for some minutes like that, then we will have a problem, isn't it? Yes. Also, if the heart stops functioning for a second, for a minute, then what will happen? We will not survive. Yes. If the lungs did not function properly for a few minutes, then what will happen again? We will have a breathing problem. That is a serious problem, isn't it? So all these parts are very important and it works like a machine. Yes. So each organ has their own work to do. And what are the system? What are the different systems or organs now? What are the different systems or organs? Today we are going to study about the different systems or organs. They are the respiratory system. The systems are, these are the names of systems, that is called respiratory system. The digestive system, excretory system, circulatory system, skeletal system and muscular system. So we have different systems or organs in our body. So each organs or each system has their own name, or that is called respiratory system, digestive system and excretory system, circulatory system, skeletal system and muscular system. And these are the systems which we are going to study one by one. Okay. Now, how many types of organs are there? How many types of organs are there? There are two types of organs now. In our body, we have two types of organs. Now, what are they? They are called internal organs and external organs. So, let me write the names of the system first and then we'll move on to the organs. Okay. Now, the different systems are the different systems are respiratory system, the digestive system, the circulatory system, yes, and the skeletal system, and the muscular system. These are the names of the systems. Okay. These are the names of the systems. Now, these systems in the next class we are going to study one by one in detail. Okay. Now, I was explaining it to you that we have two types of organs. What are they? They are internal organs and external organs. Now we have two types of organs. Organs are external organs and internal organs. Okay. So these are the names of organs. We have two types, that is external and internal organs. Now, what are external organs now? Can you name some? What are external organs? External organs are organs which we can see from outside, like which is present outside, yes, in our body. Can you give me example? They are eyes, yes, they are ears, hands, legs, head, eyes, nose, all the lips, all these are called external organs. Okay, I repeat, the external organs are legs, head, eyes, nose, ears, lips, all these are external organs which we can see from outside. It is called external organs. Now, what are internal organs? Internal organs are organs which we cannot see from outside, which is inside our body, which is present inside our body, which is known as internal organs. They are, for example, can you give me some examples? They are brain, yes, heart, stomach, bones and muscles these are, as well as kidney, these kidneys, these are some of the internal organs which we cannot see from outside, yes, which is inside our body. The organs which is inside our body are known as internal organs. Okay, so today we have learned about the external organs, the internal organs and the systems which is present in our body. So the systems which is present in our body are the respiratory system, the digestive system, the circulatory system, the skeletal system, the muscular and the muscular system, which we are going to study in the next class. So, the two types of organs we had studied are, they are external as well as internal organs. So, external organs are organs which is present outside our body, which we can see through our eyes, are called external organs. Example, eyes, nose, ears, hands, yes, and legs, all these are what? Legs, all these are what? These are external organs. Lips also, these are external organs which we can see. And internal organs are organs which we cannot see, which is inside our body. Yes, they are stomach, lungs, heart, brain. Yes, all these are what? Heart, stomach and lungs and brain. All these are internal organs. So today, children, you will read the chapter, read over the chapter, and whatever the words are there, just try to learn the words. Okay. Now, these are the things. Now, children, can you underline these words which I had given you on the board? So these are the words which is given on the board. Just underline these words in your book and learn the words for spellings. Okay, that is respiratory. R-E-S-P-I-R-A-T-O-R-Y. The words are difficult and the words are quite long. Okay, difficult words. So try to learn this word. So if you cannot learn together, then what you'll do? You will break the word. Break the word and learn it. Okay, it will be easy. Say for example, respiratory. Break it. You have just come from 2 to class 3, so you'll have a little bit problem. Respiratory. Break this way and then learn. Okay. Digestive. Digestive. You will break the word and learn. D-I-G-E-S-T-I-V-A. Digestive. System. S-Y-S-T-E-M. System. Circulatory. C-I-R-C-U-L-A-T-O-R-Y. Circulatory system. Okay. S-Y-S-T-E-M. System. Skeletal. Skeletal. Break it this way. Skeletal system. S-K is K. L-E-T-A-L. Skeletal system. And muscular. M-U-S, C-U-L-A-R, muscular, C-U-L-A-R, muscular system. This way you break the word and learn this word for spelling test. We'll have spelling test also whenever after I finish my chapter. After we finish the chapter, we'll be doing some spelling test also. Okay, so please learn these words for spellings. So that's all for today.